starts in the basement at the bottom of the stairs. I'll turn on more lights. The carpet is soaked through. Starts at the bottom of the stairs, comes all the way out from under the storage closet. The storage closet is totally flooded. It's raining under from water. All wet. All the way out, I'd say about 2.5 feet from the wall. It'll progress a little more as it airs out and dries. Ugh, our wood pictures are wet. The heater is all wet. Storage room is all wet. It was raining from the ductwork up there, and it's raining. We turned off the water immediately, but you can see it's still coming down and still draining down. Oh God, all these are full of water. All these pots and pans we're gonna have to empty. They're full of water. I need to try to unplug the refrigerator. The wine cellar has water damage. And everything, everything in the storage is soaking. There's bins and bins and baby stuff. And over here it's soaking and all the pack and plays and baby stuff. Some stuff is off the ground, so it'll be fine. You just step on the carpet and it's just squished. Water squish, water squish.